Hi friends, welcome to Shraddha Tutorials. Today we are going to solve the problem from second exercise of real numbers from class 10. Okay, what the question is? Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So we have to prove that the given two numbers are composite numbers. Okay, so what do you mean by a composite number? A composite number is a number which has more than two factors. Means if for any number, 1 and itself are the factors. Whatever may be the number, 1 and itself are the factors of the given number. Okay, now apart from that, if we have at least 1 or more than 1, then we can say that the number is a composite number. Means a number which has more than two factors. If a number has only two factors, that is no other factor or no other number apart from 1 and itself, then we can say that the number as a prime number. If a number has only 1 as a factor, only one factor, if a number has only one factor, it is not a prime nor composite. Okay. For an example, if I take 1, I have only 1 as a factor. So, only one factor I am having, that is 1. If I take 2, I am having 1 and 2, no apart from that, okay, no other numbers. So, only two factors, so I call this as prime number. If I take 3, 1 and 3. If I take 4, 1, 2 and 4. Now, see 1, 1, for 2, 1 and itself, for 3, 1 is common for all the numbers. See, for 4 also I am having 1, 3 also 1, 2 also 1, 1 also 1, okay. So, all the numbers I will be having 1 as common, 1 as the factor, okay, it is a common for all the numbers. Apart from that, the same number itself as factor, okay. Now, here for 3, 3, for 4, 1 and 4. Apart from 1 and itself, that is 4 here, I am having one more factor, that is 2. So, I call this as a composite number, okay. If I take 5, I am having only 1 and 5. If I take 6, 1, I can write, means I will be writing even a 6 here. So, 1 and itself, okay. Apart from that, 2 and 3. So, I am having 4 factors here, okay. So, I can call this as a composite number. Now, let us imply same to the given numbers. It means if we have one and the same number, then we call it as a prime number. Apart from 1 and itself, if we are able to write the number as the product of factors, then we call those as composite numbers. Again, you do not get confusion for 4 or 6. If I take 6, 6 can be written as 1 into 6. So, if we are able to write into 1 into 6, then you should not say it as prime number. Why? Because this can be even written as product of 2 and 3, that is 2 into 3 as 6. See, we have not used here 1 and the number itself. So, apart from using 1 and itself, we got 6 here, okay now. So, we call this as 6 as a composite number. If I write here again 1, if I use 1 here, not an issue. 1 into 2 into 3 means I am using more than 3 factors, sorry, 2 factors. See, if I said already, so composite means a number which has more than 2 factors. Now, see here I use 1, 2, 3, product of these 3 factors is nothing but 6. So, here I use 3 factors, so I call this as a composite number, okay. Even though if I use 2 factors, it is called as composite number. Why? Because here I have not used 1 and same number, isn't it? So, I call these as composite numbers, and now we are going to show these also same, okay. Now, first, that is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Now, here this is one term and this is one term, 2 terms we are having here, okay. So, here 13 is common for both the terms, okay. Now, I am going to take 13 common, means 7 into 11, 7 into 11 into 13, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 1, okay. Now, 13 ones are 13. Now, how I can write this as 7 11s are 77 plus 1. 13 into 77 plus 1, 78. Now, see, number is represented in terms of 13 into 78. In a sense, I do not have here 1. If I write here 1, even then, now see, this is one factor, this is one factor, this is one factor. So, the given number can be said as we can say it as composite number, okay. Even if you do not write here, not an issue, 1 is common for all, isn't it? So, by seeing this we can say, so here we don't have 1 and two numbers having are, so 1 is common for all the numbers. So even 1 is there, 13 is there, 78 is there, total 3 numbers are there. So 3 numbers means the given number is composite number, isn't it? So we can write it as it is the factors of, is a product of, so it is the product of 2 factors and larger than 1 or greater than 1, greater than 1. Why we said 1 here means, like 1 is the factor for all the numbers. So we have one factor, that is 1 here, and apart from 1, 13 and 78. So 2 factors are here. If I include this, 3 factors. So by seeing, so by with the help of these 3 values, we can say that the given number is a composite number. Okay, say 78 is an even number. We can write this in terms of 2 into 39. 2 into 39. So 2, 39 and 13. Here 3 we are having, isn't it? So 3 factors here itself we are getting. So this number is said to be a composite number. Okay. Now let us do another one. Okay, that is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Now here also this is one term and this is another term. So what we can do here, see here 5 is common. So let me take 5. So 5 is common for both the terms. Okay, so if I take 5 common, then I can write this as 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. So this can be written as 5 into, see 7, 6 are 42, 42 4s are 168, 168 3s are 504, 504 2s are 1008, 1008 1s 1008. So 1008 plus 1, that is 5 into 1009. See here also we have shown this number in terms of a product of not 1 and itself. Apart from that, that is 5 and 1009. So 5 is, so of course we have already discussed that any number 1 will be the factor. So there is one factor we are having, here 5 is the another factor, 1009 is one more. So total 3 factors we are having. So according to the definition, if a number has more than 2 factors, we call those numbers as composite numbers. So by this we can say that this number is a composite number. Okay. I hope you understood the content what I have discussed in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.